Homemade honeycomb coffee cake recipe. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we're going to whip up a delicious homemade honeycomb coffee cake. It's a perfect treat for your morning coffee or a delightful dessert. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1/4 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup buttermilk. For the honeycomb topping, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons water, 1/4 of a teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven. Preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Prepare the cake batter in a mixing bowl. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, and half a teaspoon salt. Set it aside. In a separate bowl, cream together 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Mix in 1/4 cup of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Start and finish with the dry ingredients. Step 3. Make the honeycomb topping in a saucepan. Combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Heat the mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Once the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, on a candy thermometer, remove it from heat and quickly stir in 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Pour the hot mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet to cool and harden. Step 4. Assemble and bake. Pour half of the cake batter into a greased and floured 9 by 9 inch, 23 by 23 centimeters square baking pan. Break the cooled honeycomb into pieces and sprinkle half of it over the cake batter. Add the remaining cake batter on top and finish with the rest of the honeycomb pieces. Bake the cake in the preheated oven for 30-35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Once your honeycomb coffee cake has cooled a bit, cut yourself a generous slice, and enjoy the sweet, crunchy goodness. It's perfect with a hot cup of coffee or tea. And there you have it, folks, our delightful homemade honeycomb coffee cake. I hope you enjoyed making and indulging in this delicious treat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.